welcome distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, to BUIDL Vietnam.
And I think Vietnam is one of the biggest up-and-coming markets in this space, both in terms of the community and in terms of some of the builders and projects that have come out of Vietnam. So to get to be here on the ground and actually get to meet and interact with that community, I mean, I think it's one of the best things you can do.
Also, we are looking for the market, crypto market here. We want to know more about the Vietnam market, and I think it's great. It's growth, and it's also there's a lot of projects that develop also here.
You know, the community and culture and everything, like the people are so nice, and on top of that, you know, like the blockchain is decentralized, right? So just communicate everywhere.
After a successful developer-driven conference in Seoul, KryptoSeoul, the leading community building brand with its sister brand KryptoVietnam, are proud to kickstart BUIDL Vietnam in Ho Chi Minh City. The event aims to explore Vietnam's burgeoning on blockchain scenes and will focus on uplifting local innovators and developers.